Okay guys, I just lit this. I put a little bit of wood that I found laying around the yard, and we're going to demonstrate. This one holds a lot more wood than the other one, so it'll heat up more and last longer because of the sheer volume and there you have it. I mean, and here are the breather holes right there, so you get plenty of oxygen in there, and you can see that how it works. I mean, and it's just with a couple of handfuls of little twigs that I found laying in the yard, so they're very, very efficient. And there you have it. Maybe I should have waited till that paint dried. But there you have it. Yeah, it's that fresh paint. Well, maybe it'll bake on there, but you can see that it's very efficient. Yeah. Next time I'll wait till the paint dries. Well, it's going to dry now. Wow. Whew, that thing's hot. Whew. Whew. Them fire department gonna show up. Yes sirree. Man, this thing gets hot. Whew. And that's not very much wood in there. Look at there. I might have to sand it, re-sand it, and repaint it. This thing gets very, very hot. Well, there you have it. I smoked out my neighborhood here. Whew. That thing got hot. Alrighty, people. There you go.